This video is going to show how to create a crosshatch plane in OrCAD X Presto. A crosshatch plane uses a mesh or grid of copper instead of a solid copper fill. This can be used to improve flexibility in flex zones, reduce copper weight, improve adhesion, and more. OrCAD X Presto can be used to quickly and easily define the net, pattern, and other specifications to create a crosshatch plane. Start by opening the provided crosshatch board design in OrCAD X Presto. We'll create a crosshatch plane on a rigid board first. First, we need to add a shape. Select the Add Shape mode from the toolbar. The Add Shape widget opens. Here you can configure the type of shape to draw, its function and layer, and for copper shapes, its net. We'll draw a ground plane on the bottom for this example. Set the shape use to conductor, the layer to bottom, and the net to ground. To create a crosshatch shape, select Hatch at the bottom of the widget. To start drawing the shape, hover over the desired corner until a crosshairs icon is visible. This will snap the first corner of the shape to that corner. Click to start drawing the shape and click the end corner to finish. A shape with a crosshatch fill is drawn. Choose the Select mode from the toolbar to end drawing mode. The new shape remains selected and options can be configured in the Shape Fill subpanel of the Properties panel. Options to configure the crosshatch fill are shown, including spoke width and spacing, pattern, and border width. A crosshatch plane can also be created in a rigid flex design with an irregular shape. Open the provided crosshatch flex design in OrCAD X Presto. We will add a crosshatch plane to this middle section of the board. To retain the irregular shape, let's use Paste Special to draw our plane in the canvas. Select the outline for Zone 1 as a reference. Right-click and select Copy. Right-click anywhere in the canvas and select Paste Special. A copy of the zone outline is attached to your cursor and the Paste Special widget opens. Here you can configure the shape type and destination layer. Conductor is already selected for the shape type. Select Flex 2 as the destination layer. Move the mouse until the new shape is centered over the flex outline and click to place. To end placement, choose the Select mode from the toolbar. Since the plane was generated as a copy of the zone geometry, the plane extends beyond its conductor keep-in zones. To fix this, select the plane. Right-click the Add Shape mode in the toolbar and select Shape Utilities. The Shape Utilities widget opens. Select Resize for the function and Contract for the mode. Enter the desired contraction amount and click the shape to contract it. The shape is now fully within the route and component keep-ins. Choose the Select mode from the toolbar to end the Shape Utility mode. Now let's make this rigid flex plane a crosshatch. By default, planes created with the Paste Special command are solid filled. To change this, select the shape. Shape properties will once again appear in the Properties panel. Select Crosshatch under Shape Fill to add crosshatching. To customize the crosshatch plane further, scroll to the Shape Fill subpanel in the Properties panel. For this example, we'll set the pattern to diagonal positive. The pictorial on the subpanel changes to match the selected pattern. We'll also set the width and spacing to make the spokes thicker and farther apart. The border width is adjusted automatically. Click anywhere in the PCB canvas to deselect the shape. A crosshatch plane has been added to the flex zone. A net can be assigned to this plane by selecting the shape and choosing the desired net from the Net drop-down in the Properties panel. Quickly and easily create a crosshatch plane to reduce copper usage and ensure flexibility with OrCAD X. For more tutorials, visit us at resources.ema-eva.com and don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.